Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Leena.
Where are you from?
I am from India.
How old are you?
I am 12 years old.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can help you.
What is this?
This is a pen.
What's the time?
It is 1:30 p.m.
What do you do?
I am a student.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
Do you like dance?
Yes, I like dance.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 siblings.
What's your hobby?
My favorite hobby is play games.
Do you like to read books?
I like to read books.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can dance.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can ride a bicycle.
What's your favorite sports?
My favorite sports is football.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel.
Can you sing?
Yes, I can sing.
What's your favorite place to visit?
My favorite place to visit is Kashmir.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Diwali.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is dog.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I like to exercise.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is mango juice.
Can you use a computer?
Yes, I can use a computer.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
What's your favorite day of the week?
favorite day is Sunday.
What's your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is broccoli.
Can you play chess?
Yes, I can play chess.
Do you like to go camping?
Yes, I like to go camping.
Do you like to watch cartoon?
Yes, I like to watch cartoon.
अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें एंड शेयर करें। थैंक यू।